That's
Why were
happening.
you barbecuing in Bangalore?
Because we are in a
Why would
civilized
she?
part of India, unlike Delhi. No. It's the one on a double G Snoop Dogg.
Cool. I'll give you that point. Kid. I'll give you that point. Okay,
100
guys,
G.
I'm not going to take a lot of time. It's Radio 1 Reacts K, and I have a special guest today. It's Annie. How are
The
you
wonderful
doing?
Annie who hosts Afternoons with Annie. You
Yeah,
can hear
She's
her all
making
across the
hearts
country.
and all, man. She's making hearts and everything.
Annie,
Wow, proper
um,
influencer.
yeah. Aniket and I are so middle class compared to you.
Okay, today we are reacting to food fails. Annie's speciality that she does with Romy as well on Instagram Live is talking about food this, food that, food this, food that. So today's challenge is try not to say what the frick. All right, we're keeping it PG-13. You cannot say or you cannot show that kind of an emotion to any of the video. That if you show, we're gonna cut your life, and by the end of the day, the lives that you lose, you gotta go ahead and give K and I a chocolate in
What?
return to that. Yeah.
Aniket has some
What?
weird fantasies, as you can clearly see. But no, the
Chocolates.
idea is you don't freak out too much, but we can.
Yeah.
Like we
What?
said, food
I'm
fails.
supposed to be the guest.
Yeah.
So I'm
Yeah.
supposed to have certain liberties.
Yeah, the
Taking
liberties
that
are
away from me.
you can't react. The liberty is to not react. Okay, cool. We're gonna
Hey, that's Aniket. That's Aniket.
Yeah, that's me. Okay.
Aniket, one sec. Hang on.
Half-dressed man, okay. I like where
Okay.
this is going.
Let's go.
What did he even just do? What did he even
The
just
thing-
do?
the
What did he
thing
pick
that
up from
men
that
do in the
plastic
kitchen.
bag?
The things that men do in the kitchen, be clueless. That's what he did.
He ran
Wow.
because he thought the oil was going to splash. This is what every guy does when he just starts cooking for the first time. Aniket and I still do this, by the way.
I thought he was
Absolutely.
picking out some live worms from that packet and putting it into the pan. That's what I thought he was doing, and that's why he was so scared.
No, Aniket,
Wow. Okay.
it gets worse, right, Aniket? So,
Ooh. What do you have these half-dressed men? He's in a lungi. Okay then.
Men and their style of cooking is being shirtless in the kitchen where they can burn themselves. So this is our style.
He was
Okay.
showing off clearly,
Yeah.
and it worked. I think.
Annie, what did you think of that? If a man took you out for a lovely date and said, "Come home, I'm going to cook for you," and did this, how would you react?
I think I'd be impressed. It's pretty cool.
With the towel or with the flames?
Lungi. What?
You know what the lungi can't do, the flame does. So I'm okay. with
Wow.
it.
Okay, wait.
Editor, please
does-
cue Lungi dance.
Okay, cool. Let's move.
Very estranhas, bro.
Wow. Okay. Nine.
Annie, you're losing. Okay, you can't say that. You can't make that face. You've made that face. That's 1 point cut for you. Annie, I saw you. That's 1 point cut for you. Okay.
I quite
You made
enjoyed
that
it.
face.
I quite enjoyed it.
Hey,
I know.
Annie, quick question. Can you flip an omelette like well?
No.
No? Will. Okay.
Let's go on.
What?
Eu vou lutar. Não,
She's gonna set fire to the entire house. What is she even doing?
Oh, by the way, that's another point loss for Annie. But yes, oh damn, son, that's a lot
That's
of
just
fire.
dumb.
That's physics class 101, bro.
I mean, what was that? What was that? I would skip so
Aniket,
many
just go back.
beats.
Yeah,
I'd
let's see
have
this
a heart
again.
attack.
Yeah, check this out.
eu vou lutar. Não,
Whatever she was thinking when she was doing that. Holy cow.
How
So
did
I
the
think
flames
was a
come on the
fantastic
floor?
I think there must have been
Yeah.
oil or something on the floor. There was oil, or she had left the gas on for a while. So that's
Kerosene.
No, it's also, I think, a wooden floor or something. So if there's even a little bit of oil that's splashed on the floor, and if it's a wooden floor, then
Have you ever left your gas on, Annie?
of course.
okay. That's a question my husband should answer.
sorry. We were talking about the gas in the kitchen.
Are you letting
Sorry.
out secrets? Are you really going to use this platform to let out secrets between the two of us?
Oh damn! What is? Hey, don't leave me. What do I don't know? What is?
Let's move on, guys.
Damn, dude,
Next.
I feel so sad. I'm not a part of this conversation. Like I'm drifting away.
No, Aniket,
Yeah.
don't.
No,
don't.
you're thrown
No.
out into the sea. Don't worry.
Okay, cool.
Say
Man.
goodbye. Say goodnight. Goodbye, Cromwell. Uh-oh, that's a problem. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, my God, you...
I love that. I love that. That's when nature fights back.
That is crazy. Whatever he was thinking. Whatever he was thinking.
Man.
Do
that
you?
was great.
What is
That's
like the
silly.
What is the most difficult dish can you ever make at home?
I think this one.
Lobsters?
Crabs. Yes, crabs. Lobsters, well, it's not very easy to find. I mean, even if it is, it's like, seasonal and stuff. But crabs, oh my God, that's really, really tough.
For me, it's hard to
My
boil
mum-
water. Damn
Ooh.
tough. Don't know how to do it.
So while I've tried seafood, but this is not something I'll ever dare to try. That's something that my mum does a very good job of, but no, not me.
This is straight out of SpongeBob, man. Mr. Krabby Patty fighting for
For his life. Poor guy.
Yeah.
Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob. And you gotta sing SpongeBob SquarePants, man. Come on.
I'm 103, remember?
Oh, that's coming back to bite Aniket nicely. Yeah.
Nice callback.
okay.
Nice callback. Okay, moving on.
All right.
Yeah, blow it out. Away from Stefan.
Okay, the funnel cakes are. We're cooking the grease. Let's
Well,
get.
it's in the open,
No,
so
no, no,
that's
no,
safe.
no, no, no.
How you? It is?
What is he even trying to do?
Nothing's safe in America, man. That's literally nothing
By the way,
safe in America.
crazy fact that's actually happened to me while barbecuing. That's
Why were
happened
you
to me.
barbecuing in Bangalore?
Because we're in a
Why would
civilized
you?
part of India, unlike Delhi. No. It's someone on a do double G Snoop Dogg.
Cool. I'll give you that point. I'll give you that point, kid. I'll give you that point. I'll snap. Don't worry. Don't worry. Cool.
I'm
cool,
loving this more between the two of you.
Aniket is like, we only know tandoor in Delhi. We don't know what is barbecue. What is barbecue? Only tandoor.
We
are
only have
making-
one barbecue nation. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. We make
Listen, I'm
tandoori
from-
chicken, we eat parathas, and that's all.
I don't feature anywhere because I'm from Mumbai. Let me not even talk
Actually,
about
Delhi, Bangalore,
the bigger
Mumbai
part.
today. So that's a very cool
Ah.
thing that's
Yeah.
happening.
Yeah, I mean, if it was a competition, I mean, Bangalore would win, but who's counting?
Yeah. Sure. Okay. Sure. Whatever floats your goat, man. Whatever floats your goat.
Listen, Bangalore can only live on tandoors. They barely have enough water to even.
We wouldn't need tandoors, you know why? We've got good weather, unlike Mumbai and Delhi. Hey, Aniket, why you need tandoor when you don't have air to breathe only, to light the tandoor?
See, I can't see you because of too much of smoke, so I can't see my haters anyway. So yeah.
Okay, let's
Moving on.
move on.
What?
This guy's
I'm
got
willing to lose all my points for this one because this was really cool.
this guy needs to feature in Blase's Rap Kitchen.
Oh damn! Like
Blasi will
you know
forget
the
to
whole
rap.
trolley situation, Annie. That either you kill one or you kill the 10 people. This is similar, man.
No, this was Thanos. This is the decision Thanos had to make, by the way. Let's go to the next one.
Oh, he has actually reacting to it.
Oh!
Okay, that was cool. That was cool. That was cool. That was very
Scary.
cool.
A recipe for disaster.
Oh damn! Yeah, I'll tell you what. So when I was actually selling products on television, late night TV, and when I used to sell bartan, right? When I used to sell utensils, they used to make me do this. It's called flambe. They used to put a little bit of vodka and then used to make me do this. And
Yeah.
guess what? Who put the studio on fire?
Oh,
We're so glad you don't cook at Radio 1.
At Radio 1, it's only Khayali Pulao. That's all we cook. All right.
Annie, fun fact. Let me give you an insight into Aniket's mind. Okay. You can see this frame that's in front of us right now. Which part of the frame do you think Aniket is looking at right now?
okay.
Now, the reason why this video has been Yeah, no. I'm not looking at the Bisleri bottle. I'm looking at the two ladies. All right. Now, I'm going to be very honest. This is my favorite video. I've seen this before. Right. I want both of y'all to go ahead and tell me what's wrong. Okay. Let the video play out. On my 3,
What?
2, 1.
Okay. Ooh! Man! That whole thing blew.
Now you know why it's my favorite video.
Blow. How can it blow? What was in there? What did she even do?
It was
Holy
Aniket's
cow, that is.
Aniket's
Did
career
that
after he
woman
left
even
television.
get up?
Blew up. Just blew up.
Late night show. Trying
No, it
some
wasn't
flambe.
late night show. It was late night me selling products on TV show. Okay.
Bro, that is
Different.
scary.
Yeah.
Annie,
That
okay, I
is
think this is a
really
good
bad.
place to kind of end this. And on that note, I think we should ask you, Annie, what's been your most craziest kitchen disaster? Be honest with us.
Oh, just 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks from
I
the
don't know how
shooting
big
of this
is.
video. FYI, 2 weeks from the shooting of this video. Just put a time there. Yeah.
Yeah, whatever. I mean, it's okay. But a few weeks ago, when I left something to, I just wanted to warm it up. Okay, and I completely forgot about it. It was a whole meal, and I was busy doing the rest of the chores of the house. I came back, I think, after 30 minutes when I started smelling something burning in the kitchen, and it suddenly struck me, and I had to ditch the whole thing. I just burnt it alive, literally.
Did you order from
There's
outside
no
then?
meal left. I had to, yes, I did.
She's at least honest about it.
Yeah, I'm bloody honest about it. It really happened a few weeks ago.
Well, I expected worse. I think Aniket and I expected worse. But I mean, that's not too bad.
Yeah,
Some-
I mean, like the day when I started cooking is the day when I cut my finger, I burnt my anda, I overboiled the water, I undercooked my Maggie. I did all of that. But now I'm a little better. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a little
The
better.
day I started cooking. Oh, wait, I haven't started cooking yet. So. Mama! Oh, what's for dinner?
Flying chappal.
Okay. This has been Radio 1 Reacts. Our special guest, Annie, for the evening. Thank you, Annie. Aniket, of course. And of course, guys, if you...
And he keeps on making vada pav symbols and I'm getting hungry.
Listen, come
Vada
on, what's
pav.
wrong with you?
Hey,
Come on,
vada
what's
pav.
wrong with you?
It's
Come on,
vada
what's wrong
pav.
with you?
shall I ruin this sign for you guys for life?
Ooh.
Okay.
Hold it, no.
Adi,
I'm
thank
willing to
you.
work on this. Thank you.
One world, your station.